I've got a chain wrapped around this one here. This is particularly troublesome even for mowing the lawn, so be happy to see that go. And we'll see if it comes out of the ground. It's pretty warm today. The ground's not frozen. So let's see what happens.
I'm ready to try to tackle this big forsythia. We keep adding to this huge brush pile.
It's gonna take a bit because I had the gas off.
Oh, you knocked it or something?
No, I just turned it off.
All good. Amazing! It's crazy too, because that's like, this thing is full of one stand of forsythia and a fraction of the other stand of forsythia.
Yeah, how many loads have we done? Like,
But this is just like yesterday, that load that I unloaded earlier today, that was just the stand of forsythia. Everything in it fit except for these trees.
so that's a lot of brush that you've moved yourself.
All right, these bushes have been here, and we don't really want them here, but we never really knew what to do with them. But we have a place for them now. What are you? Just say it.
I'm a big bush.
So we're gonna be pulling them out with the tractor. Good. Good, stop. Perfect. Yeah, let's just pull it right over. Beautiful. Let me look at the roots. I need to make it a bigger hole. Can you go higher?
Yeah, that's probably deep enough. Just got to get it a lot bigger around.
Okay, drop it there. Okay. Perfect. It's perfect right now. You can turn. Sure, yeah. Look at that. That looks really happy here. On to pulling these stumps out. Nice. Now we can get a lift to paint this side of the house once we move these other ones. have to hold the swing back. How do you do the choker? You make a...
So I got a loop there. So when I pull, in theory that'll tighten up.
Okay. Raining. Are you going to want me to tell you when you're taut, or it just doesn't matter? Okay. Yep.
Nope.
It's connected to everything. Oh no, the grass.
Oh, there's huge trenches in the lawn.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh no, the grass. Okay, it's super pouring now. Whoa. Well, it was a good try. I mean, I'm imagining it, I know, but I felt like every single one of them was moving because they're all interconnected and they were all like, nope, you're not getting out of here. Can't leave the family.